Good morning everyone and welcome to Amtico in Coventry for this Redzone Roadshow.
So before Redzone we had paperwork being filled out, always looking back at yesterday's data. It's not live. We have people working in silo teams, and now with Redzone we've opened that up. Every machinist has got an iPad, but this gives the view of communications, of performance of everybody else and so forth. So since Redzone we have sent as a whole site 320,000 chats, just under 6,000 actions have been created. So after productivity we now have more engaged shop floor. We have live performance visuals around the factory and collaborative working. This is all the paperwork that we used to fill out. So around 200 data sheets were created. And all of these are scheduled and triggered, and they also now create an alert. It comes up to the operator, you need to complete this data sheet. This is the total amount of data sheets that we've completed, 282,000.
Redzone updates your system every 60 seconds, so it's absolutely super live. You know, if you ask me what we're running at new online too, and what's the giveaway, I could look on my phone and tell you that now. You can set it up in BI and have it streamed into your email so it's there at 6 o'clock in the morning.
But also giving the people on the shop floor a voice, something they haven't had for many years. You know, you've got 200 people working out on the shop floor, all contributing to the overall success of Amtico, but now they've actually got a platform. We're definitely seeing improvements in downtime on plant and equipment. You know, we're now seeing efficiency gains in throughput, schedule adherence, because we're now able to see when there's a problem and go and address it. Now, I've got access on my mobile phone, you know, 24/7 a day, hours a day, how your plant is running, what's good, what's bad, what's indifferent, what problems have the people got. So it's about that modernisation that I've got greater visibility on what is going wrong and when, and making sure the relevant resources are allocated to that problem at the point it occurs, not after the event.
So we've got all this time back available to us where we're now performing more quality checks. You're spending more time with operators, understanding the issues, and you're making a lot of gains that way.
Don't be surprised how intuitive the system is. It's data for all, where you just get stuff done. Communication, 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 and then people.